Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Landin Email. My name is MD Faraz and I am the founder of Landin Email. In this video, I am going to show you the option called as sending identity, which is probably used, for just to verify your sending identity. It really helps you out while, sending the campaigns or while setting up the automations. It's pretty simple and very easy. What you have to do, just you have to click on the sending first, then open sending identity, just click on new sender and just put up your name and your email, which is the SMTP, the sending server which you connected. You can put that email. Let's go back to that. This is the email which we integrated in the last video. Come back and just put over here and just save it. Once it is done, it shows that pending verification that we have sent an email to the sender's email address. Please click. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll check. Okay, we got an email from Landin Email. So this is the link which they have shared, and we will come back over here and we'll try to verify ourselves. Okay, verification done. Then let's refresh. Okay, so the sending identity is verified now. So let us check whether it has verified. Yeah, it has verified. So in this way you can verify whatever the senders you have. Your email and your name will be verified here itself. I hope this video helped you. See you in the next video. Bye.